What's up, everybody? June 3rd. Picked up a sale today. What I got here is going out is a Funlux security network video recorder. It came with the electronic lot that I got. Plus, it added it with a camera that was in the stuff, so I just added it with it. Didn't know if it worked or not, but put it in together, and that sold for $79.99 plus the buyer paid shipping $11.55, so altogether about $99 some change. So that's a good deal. And like I said, with all this stuff, it's still profit. So I already printed the label out. I already got it packaged, boxed up. Got it boxed up in this humidifier. Well, not humidifier, the air purifier little fan that I got, and I just reused the box, so everything fit in there. So I'm going to ship this out, and anything else happening in between there, I'll let y'all guys know. All right, y'all. What up, y'all? It's June 4th. Not right now. I'm in the car on my way to picking up some items that I won on the auction for the past 2 days. I think I already paid like $210 or something for all the stuff that I got. I forgot what some of the stuff was, but like one or two of them were kind of higher price type items that I bid and won. And I think some of them may be something I want personally, but I'm heading out there to grab it right now. So I will see y'all guys when I get it and let y'all know what I got. All right. All right, guys, I'm back. So I got everything set out, so make it a little easier and looking at everything, but well, probably not everything, but you get the gist of whatever with all the stuff that I got. So with all that said, not to waste y'all time, let's turn y'all around. All right, up here first we got some Savannah. I think that's how you pronounce the brand. Savannah 2591 deluxe fluorescent bulbs. It's 10 in the pack, brand new. I paid $21.52 for this batch. Okay, looking up next here, we have some Xbox games. I got a whole lot. I haven't looked at any of them yet, so just got them stacked up right now. This is original Xbox games. I bought this for $11.96, and we have here a 40-piece tap and dot set. I'm gonna actually probably keep this for myself because I think I may end up needing this. So yeah, so I'm probably keep this for myself, and I paid for this $22.72. The next thing we got here is a bunch of staple guns. I'm actually keep one of these and probably sell the rest. I have one, but it's kind of small, but so that's why I bid it on, so I could get one and pretty much sell the rest. So with all plus it came with staples, and can't see here under these boxes is other staple guns too. So one of them I'm probably keep the biggest one and sell the rest, but that's that for that. And I paid for this $11.96 for all this. Up next is a bucket of golf balls. This is something new for me. I ain't never bought no golf balls to resell before, so I ended up looking up on eBay, looking at some listings and whatnot. So and I mean, especially around this time of the year, I think it's probably a good idea to go ahead and see how this goes. And I see a lot of sales from just golf balls. People sell them, and singles or 10s and 20s. So I don't know how many golf balls it is. So I'm gonna end up sitting here and actually counting each one to make sure how much I have. So I divide it up, in that sense. But I paid for all these golf balls is $25.11. Now what we got here is a vintage Mahog tile game set. I honestly don't know exactly what this is, but I know I looked it up on eBay and they were selling, over $100 each. And I think it's like Chinese, like a Chinese game or something. I'm not really sure, but if y'all guys know, then y'all can let me know even more. But I don't know exactly. I don't know if this is actual Chinese checkers or I don't know. I don't get the line. I just know I picked this up to resell, but I paid for this $46.63. So, and it's selling over $400. But I'm see what I'm gonna price it for, but it's going to be at least 110 and over. So, next thing left here is a collection of Magic the Gathering game cards. I kind of wanted to get something that's Magic and what is it called? Magic of Gathering. For a good while now, actually for a few months. I mean, I never could really run across something that I could buy and resell because everything was already pretty much priced high. But this is my first time. Sorry about that. I got a call, but this is my first time purchasing these, and it's gonna be pretty interesting how I'm gonna sell these. I'm not sure if I don't know, sell them in different bulks or just sell this whole box as is. I'll see. I have to do a little homework and see how I'm going about this. But that is it. This is everything that I have. And for this gaming set and the collection of cards, that came to a total of $110 with everything, including the premium 12% and the tax and all of this. And the rest of the stuff came up to $93.27. So I'm gonna start trying to get these listed, hopefully today, because I mean it's a little busy for me right now. But it's all in all, I'll get to it. But I'm gonna try to get some of these listings today, and that's pretty much it. Don't have any sales for today. So I mean, if anything changed, I'll let y'all know. So until then, I will let y'all go. Enjoy your lives. Get on out of here. Stay student for life. Learn from your mistakes, and everything will be alright. Alright, y'all. Alright, guys. After I let y'all go, I end up listing so far 2 things, and one of them already sold. Okay, it was the little I think the little Chinese game that I just showed, the Mahog, I guess, a 152 piece tile set. I had it listed for $162, $162.50 I think, and somebody sent me an offer for $100 and I accepted it. So now I'm just waiting on them to pay, and that's pretty much a quick about $40 profit right there, maybe a couple dollars extra, but that was quick. I mean, I was at least expecting to have that longer than what I had it, but that's a good deal for me. So I just paid for it, just got my money back plus more, so it's a good thing. But I already got this packaged up, so I'm just waiting for the buyer to pay, ship this on off. So for today, that's my sale. So whatever else goes on from there, I'll let y'all know. So until I continue, see y'all later. All right.